Siyempre, yung pinakagusto nating topic, di ba? Pera, luck, fortune. So, paano mo ba mamamaximize to? Based naman sa placement mo ng Jupiter sign mo. Let's talk. Now, in astrology kasi, Jupiter is a planet of luck, abundance, and expansion. So, depende kung nasaan siyang placement sa birth chart mo, doon mo makikita or doon mo makikita yung growth mo, yung knowledge mo, doon mo mapapalago. Now, that includes as well money making, career mo, or business, or paano ka magkakaroon ng drive to receive more from the universe. So, check mo kung nasaan yung Jupiter sa birth chart mo. So, let's say yung Jupiter mo is nasa first house mo, which is the same as your rising sign. General kasi, ang rising natin is also nasa first house lagi siya. So, sabi natin nasa first house. Jupiter na first house ka. So, yung mga tao na meron Jupiter in the first house, they're naturally optimistic yung mga yan. Andiyan na, literal kind-hearted sila. And they have a strong sense of justice talaga. And madalas, marunong sila. And they're knowledgeable. And eager sila na mag-share kung ano yung alam nila. Well, for me, I'm a Jupiter also in the first house. Goodbye. Jupiter in Scorpio first house ako. So, in this placement din kasi, madali sila maka-attack ng mga positive energies. So, it's because the first house is about the self. It's about you. Meron siyang, first house, it has the energy of Aries. And the first house, it also means na andoon na it's about the identity, yung first impression, and about their self-expression. So that is where they attract more of their good luck or their expansion. Ngayon, sabi naman nila, if you have your Jupiter in your second house, congrats! Kasi for a lot of astrologers are claiming na maganda to. Because the second house is the house of finances. It's the house of income. It's the house of assets, possession, material well-being. So if you have your Jupiter in the second house, congrats! Money comes after you easily. Andun lang siguro, depende kung anong zodiac sign that it is associated with, you need to work with that. That means Jupiter in the second house allows you to attract more of the physical wealth. But then again, abundance is hindi lang naman siya tungkol sa pera, ha? It could also mean abundance in good relationship. It's also about good health. So that's also a form of abundance. Now naman, kung yung Jupiter mo is in the 7th house, it's good because possibly ito yung maganda meron kang in terms of business partner. 7th house kasi, it talks about, of course, andoon yung partnership, relationship, marriage, yung mga one-on-one interaction natin with people. And also about harmony and balance din siya. Of course, andun din yung fairness and justice. So, once your Jupiter is in your 7th house, partnership is a good blessing para sa'yo. Nakaingit lang, siguro ito yung mga tao din na ang dali na makahanap ng mga good people sa life nila. And andoon na, madali din sila magtanggal ng mga unwanted individuals or unwanted connections sa life nila na hindi nagiging maganda yung dalang energy sa kanila. So overall, Jupiter is one of the planets that allows us to understand o para kung saan natin pwedeng i-extract yung ating abundance. Actually, there is another one, and that is the LOL. LOF pala. LOF, or the lots of luck. You can check that in your birth chart. So, I hope nakatulong sa'yo. And yeah, please do follow me for more. Thanks, I hope nakatulong yung mga sinabi ko sa'yo. See you soon!